All right. For the oil catch can, I was making basically I was test fitting everything, making sure everything goes in the right spot. So the oil catch can usually goes right here. I took that little piece out. Let me show y'all what it is. It's this little piece right there. I took that piece out and I put my hose, connected that hose right there. All right, so where is the other side? So that piece goes right there, and the other one, oh, it's right. So the other one, I probably want to cut here and put a hose in there, cause yeah, I can't use this plastic part right there. But um, before I actually start this, I want to make sure my oil catch cans. I know I could put one on the left side. I could put one of these on the left side. I'm going to have to change this bracket and put the other bracket on. I could put one right here with the other bracket. Now, the tricky part is I don't know where I'm going to put the other one at. I was going to put it right here, but I ain't wanted to reach all the way across and go all the way over there. So, I'm going to figure something out to try to put it over here. Somewhere right here. Alright, just got finished with the oil catch can job. Let me show y'all. So this is the end, the right side. It's usually labeled on the bottom which part goes to where. Like on yeah, you really can't see it, but it says out right here. So this the end on the right, and it's the out. So the out goes to the basically the part that goes into the intake. It goes right here. And the end goes into the crank casing. Same thing for the left side. Left side is a little bit more complex because you gotta take some more stuff out. You gotta take this whole air box off. Take this out too, just to have some more space. Take everything out. It's a little plastic part you get to. It's like a long plastic part. It goes right from the back of here, connected to something. You take the two screws out on the bottom. You take the whole thing off. And when you take the whole thing off, it's a part. This part is connected to that plastic part. You're gonna want to break them seals off or tabs and lift it up. Now, depends on what kind of kit you got. You're going to cut this on rubber part, and once you cut the rubber part, you connect whatever stuff you got or whatever hose kit you have, and I did mine under the intake, so whenever I take my intakes off, I can just pull them out. You have it under here, going to that one, then this one, going to the intake. Same thing for this one. You cut this little piece off,